I just feel like you're pregnant.
Why do you feel like that?
Guys, she's pregnant. I cannot believe what you're doing right now.
What?
Guys, I'm about to show you what this girl is doing. So, we are supposed to paint the house, right? Well, the room specific. And look what this girl wrote on the wall. Look what she wrote on the wall. Why are you laughing? Look at her. Why are you laughing? It's not even a joke. What's your...
It's gonna go anyways.
We're supposed to test out the paint before we even buy it because we like it, right? But this is not how you're supposed to do it.
Why?
This girl started to paint the wall, G. Babe, what are you doing? Are you painting? Oh no. You're painting, babe, what are you doing? That's not how you're not supposed to do that.
What do you mean?
You're not supposed
it's
to
a
do.
test.
Yes, but you're painting all over the place.
Yeah, but look how good it looks. That color looks so much better than Doodle Brown. We're gonna have to leave this window open so that it can dry.
Honestly.
Guys, the paint's already stripping. Just look.
Yeah, but I'm supposed to do
Look
it.
on that. No.
I'm supposed to do it.
I am doing it.
Why did you have to write Chase's name on the board here?
This was kind of spur of the moment. It wasn't really supposed to be that way.
Like, me step outside for 2 seconds, you know, guys. Like, literally, I went outside, come back in, and I see Chase's name on the wall. I had to grab the camera real quick because this is very annoying. Like this spontaneous thing right here you do right now, babe. Come on, dog. Come on.
It's
like,
gonna change anyways.
Alright, what happened to run out of paint?
Okay,
What happened to run out of paint at the Home Depot? Like, what we are gonna do?
They're gonna run out of every color paint. Bless be real.
We're going with this color.
Yeah,
but what happened to run out of paint?
We're gonna get something close.
We're gonna just leave the name here.
Yes,
Chase.
it's my son's name.
I know that, but just
I love him.
what is this? who paints sideways and then up and down? Who does that?
I love you.
I love you too, but who does that? Like, who does that? Like, let me go test out that paint. Let me just go write Chase name all over the board. What's the real reason why we're filming this video, babe?
Because you're so annoying and you think that I'm pregnant.
Okay, because honestly...
Why? Because my belly's like this?
No. Danielle's been having mood swings. Danielle...
Isn't that normal?
It's normal. Yeah, you know, because every relationship, everybody has like a mood swing or whatever. Everybody has a mood swing.
Chad thinks that our mood swings are extra.
They're very extra, and then also there's a little dizziness going on in the house. Like Danielle's been feeling a little dizzy, like a little
Yeah, but
dizzy.
that's like totally related to my thyroid.
Babe.
Because, okay guys, if you don't know, I was off my medicine for a while.
Yeah.
And I just started going back on it. So it's just the changes because I've been off so long, like it's affecting my body.
I just feel like you're pregnant.
Why do you feel like that?
Guys, she's pregnant.
I am not.
She's pregnant. The symptoms when Danielle was pregnant, guys, she was feeling a little slightly sick, which like started the whole thing when Danielle went to take the test, and Danielle was feeling a little off. She's saying that she's been feeling off for the past 2 weeks
because of my thyroid.
until furthermore she doesn't have any period. So what that means,
because
guys?
I'm breastfeeding.
What?
Because I'm breastfeeding.
Because of what?
Because I'm breastfeeding.
You're breastfeeding.
He's annoying. He thinks that I'm pregnant and I am not.
You are, babe.
Everybody, when I tell them I haven't had my period since Chase was born, say I am 9 months before that, plus what, 13 months? I done 9 months before that, plus the 13 months Chase was born, so I haven't had my period in like 2 years. Yeah.
You want a brother or sister, Chasey?
Say he doesn't want any of the above. So anyways, I haven't had my period for over like a year. So everybody, when I tell them that, says, you sure you're not pregnant?
Yeah, like literally my mother brought it up this weekend and it's like,
when I told her that I haven't had my period, she's just like, you sure you're not pregnant? I'm not. I haven't had it any, well, the other day I had a little drop, if you want to say, but it wasn't anything, and I'm not, guys.
still don't mean nothing.
When I was pregnant last time, I got like really bad headaches.
You've been feeling headache. Stop lying.
Not like the ones that I had when I was
But
pregnant.
you don't know that. You don't remember how. You probably don't remember. That was like a year ago, obviously.
I remember, and I don't feel the same, and I am not pregnant.
Are you sure? Think about it logically, like.
Okay, you want me to go take a pregnancy test?
Guys, comment down below if Danielle take a pregnancy test right now. Comment down below.
If I take it and it's negative, you're gonna have to give me something like my favorite meal, or you're gonna have to buy me something in return for the negative test. And if it's positive, I have to give you something that you want.
Okay, that sounds like a fair deal. Comment down below, guys.
Because I know I'm going to win.
Every man, when they feel like their wife is pregnant, they're 100% correct, Just gonna say that. And that I feel like Danielle's pregnant.
No, I'm not.
And you know what's funny, because Danielle always mentioned she's ready to have another baby.
Side note, guys, look. These are my pregnancy tests from when Chase was born.
Yeah.
Look on them. Aww.
Those?
Yes.
It was 2 of them we took, right?
Yeah. No baby, right, mommy? No baby. You are my only baby. There, let me give you some lotion.
Oh, guys, this is priceless with Chase. Look at him, he's gonna rub his hands.
Guys, I can't have another baby right now. This is enough baby for me. You love the lotion.
Rub the lotion, rub the lotion, rub the lotion.
And tell daddy, no baby. Mommy, it does not.
I am telling Danielle that, babe.
Okay, we're going to go get it.
Alright, let's face facts.
Facts.
How to determine pregnancy right now? How?
No period.
Okay, what?
No period.
No period, correct?
Okay.
Okay, that's a check for you. Bring! Go again. Second thing now. Dizziness.
No.
Feeling sleepy.
That's me every day. That's normal.
Third thing. Want to consume more food.
Oh, that's all symptoms of breastfeeding as well, okay? Eating a lot more and still breastfeeding.
What else? What else?
Nausea.
Nausea. You had dizziness.
No, dizziness and nausea is not the same thing.
It doesn't matter. Guys.
The only thing that was kind of weird for me today. You want more lotion? Rub in your hand? There you go. The only thing that was weird for me today is that I was eating breakfast and the dogs came in from a walk, and the smell of the dog coming in from outside, like I had to stop eating because I felt so sick when I smelled it. That's the only reason you did this, because I told you that, now you've been thinking about it.
Guys, and that brings, what are you doing? You're going up there for? What are you going up there for?
You see, this is why we can't have one more. Imagine 2
and
right now.
And just imagine he hasn't reached terrible tools yet, guys.
That's why we need to pass the terrible tools.
So we're 5 reasons that you're pregnant.
5?
Yes, I check off 5.
No.
I need you to tell me 5 other ways that you think that you're not pregnant. That made any sense?
No.
5 reasons you think you're not pregnant.
First of all, last time when I was pregnant, I knew I felt pregnant.
Okay.
I don't feel pregnant.
Okay.
Second of all, I haven't had my period in 13 months. If I was pregnant, I would have had the baby already. Nothing has changed in the 13 months. What's the next thing? I just know it's my thyroid, because it's the same symptoms.
But today made it feel like you officially make it sound like you feel like you're kind of pregnant today.
But maybe the dogs just really stink and they need to go away. Because they smell really bad when it came from outside.
But that's how normal dogs stay, like when they go outside and come out.
Today probably was stronger than any other day.
Oh my god. I don't feel like it's that. I feel like you're pregnant.
I feel like I'm not.
My percentage of 100% right now
is 0.
I think Danielle's pregnant.
I don't think Danielle's
pregnant because
Chase doesn't think so.
It's like reminiscing of the time when you were pregnant. That you felt like you say you felt it. Even you today you're like
that
maybe,
was the only thing.
You were like maybe I need to go take a test.
No.
Babe. Yo, she wicked in the dog.
The only thing was that smell thing today, and it was just a dog.
And it make you want to throw up, right?
It never made me want to throw up.
It made you want to throw up.
It made me feel a little sick.
You said, I feel sick to my stomach.
Yes.
Just how? Like,
Okay.
come on.
Let's go get it.
No, babe, are you sure?
Let's go get it.
Are you sure?
I'll prove
But we
you
need,
wrong.
no.
I already proved you wrong the first time.
Alright, because we're gonna bet. We're gonna bet on this. And if you're wrong, you're wrong.
Okay.
And something, you have to give me something and I give you something.
Okay, so start thinking about what you're gonna give me because I'm not.
We came to a conclusion of what we are going to do.
Since I am going to
for
win.
punishments.
I'm gonna win this. Chad's gonna have to take 5 shots of Patron.
What?
And I'm pouring them.
5 shots of Patron?
Yeah.
No. That's no.
You can't decide your punishment, and that's my punishment.
Chase is saying no. Chase is shaking his head. You can't see him right now, but he's shaking his head. No.
Okay, so that's my punishment.
You said 5 shots of Patron.
Yeah, and I'm gonna win, so just get ready.
I have a headache, instant headache.
I'm gonna lay them out too, and you're gonna do them like 1,
Alright,
2, 3, 4.
I know I'm not gonna lose because I know you're pregnant.
No, I'm not. No.
This will be your punishment. When you are pregnant and we do the test, we are going to give you a crack egg, not just 1, but 3 crack eggs on top of your forehead, right?
No, I'm not. Well, I'm not gonna lose, so it doesn't matter what your punishment is.
And then we're going to flow and put flow on her hair because we can't make her drink because she's gonna be pregnant.
Oh.
You can't give her a raw egg to eat. She's pregnant. Comment down below
if you're Team Chad.
Yeah.
Or Team Danielle.
Team Danielle. I'm actually really excited right now.
All the mummies out there, you know that this is because of breastfeeding.
I'm kind of nervous. Butterflies are running through my stomach right now. Like I get the tingling feeling because it reminds me of the first time when you're pregnant.
But I knew it the first time. I knew it.
You knew it.
I knew it. Like after my period didn't come, I knew it.
But babe, you said it today. Brother.
I wasn't serious.
You said it today. That's the problem.
But I wasn't serious.
What do you
like
mean you
I
weren't
wasn't
serious?
like, yes, definitely. I was just saying, that's weird.
Like you felt like you want to throw up.
Yeah, but that's because
that's a prime example, brother. We are going to do a determination to find out if Danielle's pregnant. We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors.
Oh my, that's the dumbest thing I ever heard.
We're gonna rock, paper, scissors to see if Danielle's pregnant. Alright?
Okay.
If I win, Danielle's pregnant. If Danielle wins,
how about we just do the test and that will
if Danielle wins, Danielle's pregnant.
But basically I'm pregnant if I win or lose.
A joke. If Danielle wins, she's not pregnant. You ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Not the crowd say amen.
That has nothing to do with if you're pregnant or not. I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
That let the crowd say amen.
You know what? We're going right now.
We're going
right now. Comment down below. We're going right now. Cause we are going right now, guys. Smash the like button. Stay tuned. The next video will be dropping very shortly. Okay? Okay? Get ready. Cause this is about to be intense. Because within the next next car ride, going there and coming back.
The next car ride, just get ready for those shots.
Get ready for those heads on the head. And that flour, that bag of flour downstairs right now waiting for you.
Nope.
Comment down below right now. Alright, we are gonna go right now.
We're going right now.
Amala, shabala, come on baby, you are pregnant.
No.
Alright guys.
To be continued.
To be continued. We are out.